It comes under Distinguished Toastmaster Project first speech. Title is Set Your Goals. Time duration is 5 to 7 minutes. Over to DTM Ashok.
Good afternoon, Toastmaster of the day, fellow Toastmasters and guests. You may be wondering why I am doing DTM project while I am already a DTM, Distinguished Toastmaster. In the traditional program, I earned my Distinguished Toastmaster in July 2019. Currently, I am pursuing my DTM program in Pathways. I will explain the overview of the DTM project and what I am planning to do. I will introduce my team. Also, I will share the plan and some of the timelines I've chosen for this project. Let me start sharing the screen. Yeah, please confirm if you are able to see the screen. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. Okay. In Pathways, DTM project is one of the requirements to become a Distinguished Toastmaster. One has to complete one complete path and then 3 levels in another path, in the second path. After that, we can write to the Education Department of Toastmasters International. They will enable access to Distinguished Toastmaster project. Then we can activate, launch, and then go through the learning material in Pathways. In DTM project. This project requires somebody to plan and complete a project that benefits an organization or a Toastmasters district. The idea is to form a team and execute a project to accomplish the objectives or the vision. The person has to deliver 2 speeches. First speech in the beginning of the project, explaining the objectives and team, all that. That is what I am doing right now. And another speech, the second speech should be after the project is completed. The member has to share the experience of completing this project. Also, the person has to get the feedback from the team members. This is what the project is all about. Specifically, now my DTM project objective is to create a culture of goal setting for Toastmasters journey in our district, District 120. Last year, when I went through Pathways Mentor Program, I was pleasantly surprised about the formal mechanism that has been introduced in the program, wherein the mentor should guide the mentee in setting the goals for the Toastmasters journey. I and Toastmaster Vijay Kumar, who was my mentee, we both worked together, brainstormed, and came up with goals for Toastmaster Vijay Kumar. That made me think, why not set goals for myself? I discussed my goals with DTM Mathur Sridhar, who is my mentor. I came up with my goals. And then slowly we thought, okay, why not introduce that in whole of Emerging Leaders Toastmasters Club? And we all the mentors, we worked together and set goals for all our members. All the 27 members set their goals as of end November. Thereafter, I thought, why not spread this culture across the District 120? I made a proposal to the Mentor Pool Committee Chair and her team, DTM Neena John and her team, about spreading this culture of setting goals, and they were impressed. And I also shared one presentation with them, which they gave some feedback. I introduced those, implemented those feedback, and then I have already delivered the education session in 9 clubs. After that, I thought, why not reach out to more and more clubs? I cannot do it alone. I had to form a team. And I combined that with my DTM project objective. We want to reach out to 25 clubs, creating awareness about setting goals. Also, another soft goal is to enable at least 100 Toastmasters to set the goals for their Toastmasters journey. I am very happy to introduce my team. Two of them are here in this meeting. Toastmaster Srivatsan, he readily agreed to be part of this project. Toastmaster Iswaran, who is a VP Education of Walkie Talkie Nanganallur. Toastmaster Bhavya, again, she's here. She agreed to be part of this team. Toastmaster Srivatsan suggested her name. She is a member of KIT Toastmaster Club. Toastmaster Roshni is Area Director, Area B5 Director and member of Vaite Toastmasters Club. Finally, Toastmaster Kandavadivelu is a past president of Toastmasters Club of Vassani. With these kind of members who are very passionate, I am sure I'll be successful in achieving my vision of setting or creating the culture of goal setting across District 120. So far, what we have done, I have said some of these things, like everyone at Emerging Leaders Toastmasters Club have set their goals. This was presented to Mentor Pool Committee and the presentation was shared with them. Education session was delivered in 9 clubs. So far, 25 Toastmasters from 3 other clubs other than Emerging Leaders Toastmasters Club have set their goals. Put together, this makes it like 50. We have crossed half a century of Toastmasters who have set their goals. We have started weekly meetings with the team members. Already we had 2 meetings. Other meetings will be every week. We are working together to identify more clubs to follow up and deliver educational session. In fact, we released one Google form asking for registrations. I am happy to say that this morning I released that Google form in District 120 Educational Group. Already 4 clubs have shown interest. These are the 9 clubs where we have already delivered the educational session. And going forward, we'll be conducting the review meetings, identifying the additional clubs. We'll follow up with attendees to set the goals. We will also recognize the clubs and members who are setting their goals, then get the feedback from project team members, conduct post-project analysis, and deliver my second speech on 8th May, which will be the conclusion of my DTM project. Currently, I am at level 5 of the second path. So with this and level 5 completion, I'll be able to earn Distinguished Toastmaster Award in Pathways very soon. So with this, I would like to thank all my team members who have offered support. I look forward to more and more people setting their goals. Let's make District 120 goal-oriented. Thank you. Back to Toastmaster of the Day.
Yeah, thank you, DTM Ashok Kumar, for insight about goal setting and education session. I was the one chased by DTM Ashok in the mid 2020, and because of him, I set the goal, and then after that, I followed it, and I see myself the personal growth about delivering speech and all those things. Thank you, DTM Ashok.
Congratulations, DTM Ashok sir, for completing the first speech on this path. Actually, this is a very different from rest of the speech. I've heard from you many number of times about setting the goal, how important it is, and very neatly you started why you want to choose the next DTM, and there itself you very clearly mentioned your goal and how you are personally trying to perceive, and how the whole how the simple goal setting transformed to a district level project now, and your DTM project, the transformation you've very neatly described. It was very inspiring and motivational. I think all of us already would have set the goal. If not, they will be setting the goal, I believe. And actually, it was a very inspiring and motivated, I said. And goal setting for personally, I think it is very important. And otherwise, it will be just another day, and we will not be focusing on anything to achieve in life. So I believe goal setting is very important in life. Personally, I have set many goals from Toastmaster, as well as my personal career goal I've always set, and I try to achieve it. And I've seen the difference if the goal is not set. But coming from because I'm from a project management and an agile project management standpoint, I would like to see it from that aspect as well, sir. One thing is we always talk about value. Okay, what is a value add? So now that you've told ELTC has completed 100% goal setting, what is that team, what is that has achieved more by setting goals? I mean, they would have these many members would have crossed level 2 or level 3, or they would have successfully completed because of setting goals. You would have seen some results by setting goals, right? You can always show that results. That will give more inspiring, actually. I mean, because I've seen this. You have been in the journey. You've been very perseverant and continuously following this your dream for the past so many months. As a person, I would like to see, by setting goals, what the team has achieved, so that will be more motivation to our rest of the team to set the goal. And for any plan, there should be a target. I know if it is 100% to achieve all the DTM clubs, where are we? I mean, is it 10% done, or what is the percentage we have completed? And now that you have a very structured team, these people will contact these many Toastmasters and all. What is the target for them to achieve? Are they planning to achieve these many clubs? Are they planning to complete these? I know there should be a target. If you can put a target, I mean, I'm clearly talking from a project management perspective. That will be more, we know that, okay, we will be achieving it. You have set a timeline also. By 8th May, you have to complete. So are we nearing that goal of completing all the goal setting by 8th May? That was not clear. I know the numbers was given 25 or 50. You said we have already hit half century, but is it enough to meet the goal and 5th May? It would have been more value add if you had provided these details, and you know that, okay, we are nearing the target. That is all, sir. Otherwise, it was a wonderful speech, and all the best for your journey, sir. Thank you.